Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. I think y'all gonna like what's in this box. If you're like me, I have a small farm, plus I have a business. I need to store fuel on my property, and it is such a pain getting that fuel out of the containers that it comes in, these 55-gallon drums. So this is going to give me the ability to have my own little gas station, and I think it's pretty sweet. So let's see here. I'll get it all out of the box here. I'll show you what it comes with. Fuel rated hose. Now this is going to be used with diesel, but it's also rated for gasoline on this model. And go ahead and open this. All right, here's our manual, some fittings. All right, well here we are with the whole package here, and you can see we got our gas line here, our fuel line. Then we have our power conduit for it, and it is hot, cold. It also comes with a separate ground. Certainly you want to ground something like this. Any sparks and you got big problems. Fuel tank nozzle. Then it's got a lock on it. Cool. And then these tubes here, which are designed to go all the way from small stuff to big stuff. And it has a special bottom on it so that you can't get it to where it's going to be stuck on the ground and not able to pull suction. Got vents on the bottom there, so you stuff that into your tank. And then our main pump here, this is the Brearo Fuel Transfer Pump, 12 volts. 300 watts, and it is 76 liter a minute. It's about 15 gallons is what I ordered here. And so there it is. Now some assembly required. This part here threads into our tank. This cap here comes off, and this is going to get threaded onto there. And it does include plumber's tape here and some connections for crimping into power, but it includes a good amount of heavy-duty plumber's tape and a 90-degree elbow. That elbow is for up here, so we can get that fuel line, instead of coming out and having a bend, it's going to come out at a straight angle. This spot right here, if we're facing this way, oh I'm sorry, 20 gallons a minute. I thought I ordered a 15. This is your on-off mechanically for the pump, and it even has a lock if we want to lock it out. When we're not in use, that goes in there. You can see it lock in on the top there. And that's it. We can lock it, put a band lock around that so somebody can't get that out of there. All right, well, like I said, some assembly required. I am going to go ahead and do that assembly right now. And then we will hook it up to our diesel pump down at the bottom. I'll hook up a jump box to it, and we will get some diesel out of there. I actually need some for one of the heaters right now. Well, let's do it. All right, well, as you can see, we got it hooked up, got it hooked to ground down, earth ground. These are hooked up to a battery pack. This is screwed in. I've got my vent open, fuel line, and pump. Let's see if it works. Yep, it sure does. It's a whole lot easier than using a manual crank pump or a manual hand pump to try to get that in there. I'm barely hitting the trigger on this too, by the way. And that's all she wrote. That'll do it, my friends, for farm use or whatever. This might be something you want to consider. I'll leave a link to where you can get it, and I'll see you next time. Take care.